Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get LED flash alerts on your iPhone. You see, with this feature, the LED flash next to the camera lens on the back of your iPhone can blink when your device is locked and when you receive a notification. This can be useful to anyone who might miss audible alerts. This can also be done on the iPad. If you want to learn how to do this cool feature, listen to the following steps. First, go to Settings, then tap Accessibility. Now select Audio/Visual. Then turn on LED Flash for alerts. Now you will see it blinking when your device is locked and when you receive a notification. Like over there. That looks real cool, isn't it? It sure is, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.